Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can replace this stone, because another is missed stone here, and I'm gonna put here, right here, one stone. As you see, this is the missing stone. I'm gonna use this guy, little bit cleaning right there, right here. This is the one. So I'm gonna clean it and then find out the stone from this. I have a lot of stones here. As you see, I'm gonna find exactly stones to matching that size. Then after that I'll put it there. Yeah, so let's go and start it. This is the handle that I'm gonna using for the jeweler, and let's go and start it here. Let's go and right here, as you see, just clean it a little bit. Yeah, a little bit more. Hold it like this, maybe it's let me get closer a little bit more. If it's, let's see. Okay, let me hold. Okay, right there, as you see, right there, little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. No. Okay, as you see, it's now clean inside, and I'm gonna put the stone there, right there. Okay, hold on a minute. I have to find the stone exactly the same size. It's gonna take a little time. I have to pause the video. Hold on. Yes, guys. Okay, I find the one stone right here. This is the one, as you see, exactly right here. And then what we're gonna do, and just put it stone here. This is needs glue, because these are not the diamond, but I have another one with the diamond, but these are not diamond. Just I am gonna put it underneath this stone glue and put it on top of this, and that's it. On top of the glue, the stone, and it will be, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is the way. All right. Let's go ahead and put the glue and crazy glue and anything that you can use and for the stone, and it will be okay. And then let's go and start. I don't want to take your time, but this is the way. I mean, take it the stone. This is the stone, right there, like that. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you soon with the another video. Bye.